Dallas homeowners love bright, open interiors that feel spacious, stylish, and connected to the outdoors. With expansive skies, abundant sunshine, and modern home designs on the rise, picture windows have become a popular choice for elevating living spaces. Unlike operable windows, picture windows are fixed, allowing for uninterrupted views, maximum natural light, and bold architectural impact. When customized thoughtfully, they can completely transform the look and feel of a Dallas home. Here are inspiring custom design ideas for picture windows that enhance comfort, beauty, and functionality in Dallas living spaces. Floor-to-ceiling picture windows for dramatic impact. One of the most striking design options is a floor-to-ceiling picture window. These oversized windows instantly make a living room feel larger, brighter, and more luxurious. Benefits include expansive views of outdoor landscapes or city skylines, increased natural light throughout the day, a modern, high-end aesthetic, strong visual connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. This design works especially well in contemporary Dallas homes with open floor plans and high ceilings. Picture windows framed by operable windows. For homeowners who want beauty and ventilation, pairing a picture window with casement or double-hung windows is an excellent custom solution. This combination keeps the large center pane unobstructed, allows airflow through side windows, adds architectural balance to the wall, enhances functionality without sacrificing style. This design is ideal for living rooms, family rooms, and great rooms where both comfort and aesthetics matter. Black or dark frames for modern contrast. Dallas interior trends increasingly favor bold, modern contrasts. Custom picture windows with black or dark bronze frames create a striking visual effect, especially against light-colored walls. Design advantages include clean, contemporary lines, strong architectural definition, enhanced contrast that frames outdoor views, seamless pairing with modern decor and finishes. This look is especially popular in urban Dallas neighborhoods and newly remodeled homes. Energy-efficient glass for comfort without compromise. Dallas sunlight is beautiful, but intense heat can be a concern. Custom picture windows allow homeowners to select advanced glass options that maximize light while controlling heat gain. Popular energy-efficient features include low E coatings to reflect heat, double or triple pane glass for insulation, UV protection to prevent furniture fading, tinted or solar control glass for glare reduction. These upgrades help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while still enjoying expansive views. Picture windows as statement features. Picture windows can act as focal points that anchor a room's design. Whether placed above a fireplace, behind a seating area, or as the centerpiece of a living room wall, they draw attention and elevate the entire space. Design ideas include symmetrical placement for visual balance, minimal trim for a clean, gallery-like look, custom shapes such as rectangles or squares, strategic positioning to frame landscaping or outdoor features. These thoughtful placements turn windows into architectural art. Corner picture windows for maximum light. For Dallas homeowners looking to push design boundaries, corner picture windows offer a stunning, modern solution. By eliminating a traditional wall corner, these windows create panoramic views and flood rooms with daylight. Advantages include enhanced openness and brightness, unique, contemporary appeal, increased sense of space, seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Corner picture windows work beautifully in living rooms, dining areas, and home offices. Interior trim and finishing touches that elevate design. Customization doesn't stop at the glass. Interior trim choices play a major role in how picture windows integrate with your living space. Options include slim, minimalist trim for modern homes, wide trim for traditional or transitional styles, wood look finishes for warmth, painted trim to match or contrast interior walls. These finishing touches ensure your picture windows feel intentional and cohesive within the overall design. Transform Dallas living spaces with custom picture windows. Custom picture windows offer Dallas homeowners an exceptional way to enhance natural light, highlight views, and create stunning living spaces. With thoughtful design choices, from frame color and glass technology to placement and trim, picture windows can become the defining feature of your home. If you're looking to elevate your Dallas living space with timeless style and modern comfort, custom-designed picture windows deliver beauty, performance, and lasting value.